Okay, excellent. I see everybody in here. Fantastic. Good, good, good. Someone just left. Good. Safia, can you make me the host, please? Uh, quickly check with others where they're joining. Jui.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hello, am I audible?
Hello and good afternoon, everybody. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes. I think our guest is here. Rumana ma'am, welcome. We'll just give ourselves a couple of more minutes. We'll quickly get check. I think it's Ahmed and Homera. We need to get them on. Hold on. Give me a minute. I'll quickly get back to Ahmed and Homera. Right. Hello and welcome everybody. I think we are all good to get started. I think I've got all of my sparrows here. Rumana ma'am, welcome. Can I quickly have all your screens on for the first time? Then we can get started. Abdullah and Muazzam and Safiya and Amina and Farhanas. Fantastic. Yes, yes. Can I quickly have great? Good, Safiya. Safiya can come a little forward. Saklan, your camera's done. You made it better now. Oh, good to see M&Ms. Right. Uh, Farhana, Ahmed's joining in. Hey, Mozam, why don't you shout in Vignar from Humaira to join in? Whose neighbor is Humaira? Is it Amina's or yours? Okay, great. We'll just check if Rumana ma'am is there and if we can hear out. Oh, hello ma'am, how are you?
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm good.
Walaikum salam. So good to see you and so good to have you here.
So actually, I don't have a good camera on my laptop, so that's when I'm using two devices. I'm using my mobile phone as well as my laptop.
I saw that, and I think that's these are hacks. I think my kids will learn. So that's wonderful. Right. We'll just have a couple of people coming in and just joining you in. My kids are all here. Farhana, tell Shabana ma'am, I want her to come and say hello at some point. And Ahmed and Saklain, can I quickly have you all just for a minute? My shy boys out there. If your camera is on, it's a selfie time, right? Before we begin a class. Right. Ahmed and Saklain, quickly. I want both of you on. Oh, Saklain upside down. Go ahead. Saklain wants to be an animator when he grows up, and he's doing a lot of tricks already.
That's amazing. Hi, again.
Right.
Hello, ma'am.
Great. Ahmed, are you in? Can I have Ahmed in? Okay, before we get started, I wanted to introduce Rumana ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much. I'm just doing this. I know you have huge crowds you talk to. You have a lot of students that you speak to. These are the biggest group of Golden Sparrow. We call them the Mandelas. Very bright students. I should not be saying that in front of them. They're also very naughty and mischievous. You should meet my right group, which is the younger lot of them. But the idea was when I heard you and when I heard one of your speak. Hi, Ahmed, how are you? Great. So when I heard you, I was so impressed. I said they need to hear somebody live out there from the research work that you're doing. So Rumana ma'am is a PhD research scholar at IIT Powai, that is IIT Bombay. I'm so amazed. I read a little bit of profile. So your thesis was convergent and divergent thinking. I have no idea what this is, but it sounds so cool, ma'am. It's absolutely amazing. And then your BE was from Father Agnes, is that right? Is that Washi's Father Agnes?
It was not Bashi's, but it is one of the branch. In Goa, we have another branch from the same institute. Yeah, so it's the parent one, and we have a branch in Goa.
Right. Okay. Yes. There is Rodriguez Father Agnes in Goa as well. Wow. So you grew up
Yes,
in
right.
Goa, is that right, Romana ma'am, or you're a Mumbai girl?
No, I'm from Goa. I'm a Goan. I'm a Goan by heart.
Wow.
Yes.
I think the whole conversation my Mandela will shift
My-
over to from
that
Goa
is
now.
that is what usually happens. But I hope we are able to talk a bit about what we do or what we want to do. Yeah.
No, absolutely, absolutely. And then your MPhil with first class distinction. Oh, I have so many questions I have to ask you. But what I did is before I wanted to introduce you, I prepared a small quiz for the students to get started with and let me know how much they know. So is that okay? Can I just go ahead and start something on that?
Yes. Can I switch off my camera if that is comfortable?
Absolutely,
I'll put it on
absolutely.
my-
Yeah. You can do that. That's whatever is convenient for you.
Okay.
So before we get started with Rumana ma'am, and I have so much to talk to you, I thought I'll prepare something interesting to ask you all. Right? As we always do, a little quiz and a game to start with. So let's learn something new. Here is this. Now these are very, very popular logos. You should guess it by now. What are these logos standing up for? Everybody. You should jump and tell me the answers. Yeah, Saksia.
Indian Institute of Technology.
All right. So how many
IIT, sir.
IIT? Yeah. So these are different IITs. How many IITs do you have? Now I have, trust me, I don't know. I have not done research. Anyone guess? Mozam, how many IITs?
Right.
Amina? But you can count the logos for sure. So I think they're 4,
Well,
3.
Logos then
12.
11.
Yeah, if the
12.
logos, so I thought there were 9. Romana man can correct me if there are 12, but the idea is you have to
12.
reach just one. Okay, this is the IIT's campus. Which campus is this? Look at this amazing greenery. There's a hint out there. We can't get it wrong here.
It's Mumbai.
IIT Powai, IIT Powai.
Ah, look at Shabana ma'am, the one who's shouting, right? Yeah, so the closest I have gone to an IIT is inside the festival I'll talk about. So yes, this is IIT Powai, which is IIT Bombay. Wonderful place, beautiful thing. By the way, the IIT, the Madras one, I've seen deers roaming around. So, Romana ma'am, do you have deers in IIT also?
No, we don't have deers, but you can see some crocodiles floating. We have cheetahs and we have monkeys, snakes, and all kind of wildlife.
I'm happy with deers then. Crocodiles and cheetahs.
I've been to IIT Madras as well, and my best experience was spotting black bucks freely roaming around. It was like amazing, really beautiful. And also, a monkey snatched my cold drink away, so that is
Okay.
also one.
Nice experiences you got. So there are animals in studying in IIT and outside IIT also. All right. This is the question. The answer is here. The biggest cultural festival in Asia, they call it. What is it called?
Mood Indigo.
Mood Indigo.
Mood Indigo. Who have gone to Mood Indigo? Anyone gone to Mood Indigo? How is Mood Indigo, by the way, Romana ma'am? Heard about the huge things out there?
Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. I've included one video
Okay.
of Mood Indigo. I don't know how our slides look really the same. I have the exact number of slides
Wow.
and they look very similar. So I think you have done more research than me probably.
No, I think I'm just a backbencher, so I will not compete in the IIT's research scholar. But yes, there's just a couple of things that I thought. There's one last trivia before I let Romana ma'am come in. The first batch of IIT were only boys. I'm so sorry, Amina and Safia and Humaira. Well, that is gender equality SDG goal 5, right? So that is why, Romana ma'am, you're the first guest from IIT, and I'm so proud to have you here. By the way, 1981 was when the first girl was admitted in mechanical engineering, which was at IIT Bombay. So more to girl power. Yeah, Shabana ma'am, you want to say hello to our guest today? And it's the floor is all yours. I think I'm done with my.
Oh, hello, Romana ma'am. It's like an honor. And actually, it's like, personally, I've not met you, but I'm so happy that you are the first female from IIT. And just hearing you, I think we are definitely on the same wavelength. And I would love you to mentor our sparrows. So please go on, and it's all yours.
Thank you so much, Shabana ma'am. I'm really humbled. Thank you for a really warm welcome. I already feel connected to these kids. I've watched a few YouTube videos, so I know their faces and some names as well. So yeah, I'm very happy to be here. And anytime anyone needs any mentoring, I'm up for it. So yeah, I think with that introduction, shall we start?
Yes, Romana ma'am, please go ahead.
Yes.
I think you and Shabana ma'am can be in first name basis. It's very difficult for me to not call you by your first names and not add ma'am to it.
They rhyme also, So be aware, you have two intelligent women out here. That was why.
Should I exit?
Okay. So let me share my screen. Can everyone see my screen? Yeah, I think it's visible.
Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So the talk is titled Opportunities at IIT Bombay. So I had several things in mind which I wanted to share, and I did not know how to name the talk or as in what title to go with. So Daud sir helped me with the title. He said, let's talk about the various opportunities in IIT Bombay. And, tell the kids what do you do, what happens there, what is the life inside like, and then maybe how to get into one if you're really interested. So can you see this orangish screen? Okay, whenever it comes, you have to know that you need to do something. That is, I'll stop speaking and you'll have to start speaking. So I have one question for you. What comes to your mind first when you see or hear the word ambition? So I have created a small Mentimeter activity which we can do, or else we can also unmute and talk because we're a small group and we can manage that way. So if you have mobile phones, you can just scan the QR code and it will lead you to one website where you have to post your answers.
Or else also, Romana ma'am, you can just put the link in the chat box so they can click and they can go to Menti as well.
That sounds good.
I'll just make it for everyone. So yes.
Yeah.
Perfect. Sorry. Okay, I'll just send it to everybody. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Okay, you all got your Menti link right now. Why don't you click on the Menti link, go there, and then you all can see what it's more fun when you can do that. Perfect. Everybody can. Anyone needs help, let me know. Mozams, Ahmed, Amena. Were you able to link in? Farhana, Safia?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Just click on the link and it'll take you to Menti.
Daud bhai, you asking my mandalas, and that in front of the guest lecturers from IIM, right?
Yes, yes.
They will gonna hack it. Yeah, yes, exactly. They will get it, Don't worry, they will get it. Absolutely.
Absolutely fantastic. Go ahead, go ahead.
Wow. Passion. These are some big words that are coming, and I'm really liking it. Yes, go ahead. Put many, not just one. Ambition means a lot of things. Goals, success, power, hard work, limitless, dreams realized. Wow, these are some. I mean, who are typing this? Who is typing this?
Interesting.
Really?
We got people love Khatro Ke Khiladi. Be limitless. All right. Interesting.
Okay. One more minute and we'll just look at our word cloud, how it looks like. Computers. Okay, that's interesting. Aim, power, job. You see, some words are getting bigger and bigger and some words are getting smaller. That's because some words are more prominent, as in more people have typed this word. That is the reason it's occurring in an enlarged font. So for most of you, ambition means hard work and goals and passion. Oh, nice. Interesting. So anyone else wants to add, or your answer is not listed here?
I am adding one.
Okay, you're adding one. Okay. Following your dreams. Oh, that's a lovely one, Muni. Confident. Wow. See, you all know what ambition already is, or that is the first thing that comes to your mind, right? That it is passion, it is hard work, it is success, etc. So if you want to ask me what's an ambition for me, I would say that it's like namak for me. You know, what savory dishes do you like? I mean, वो dish आपको बिना नमक के अच्छी लगेगी क्या? So ambition holds a similar value for me. मुझे लगता है कि वो मेरी लाइफ का नमक है, एंड विदाउट इट एवरीथिंग सीम्स वेरी फीका फीका, एंड इट इज नॉट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. So when I was a kid, I had a very high ambition of becoming a very good doctor. I wanted to be a gynecologist. That's a different story how I ended up in IIT and what I'm doing now. But yes, that motivation, that drive kept me going, you know. And so ambition for me is something that resembles to traveling in a bus. Do you ever travel in a bus? जो तुम्हें पता नहीं है कि वो कहाँ ले जा रही है या कहाँ stops है? Do you ever travel in a bus like that? I mean, you don't know where it is leading you. You don't know what are the stops in between. You don't know where you're going. What will you tell the conductor? तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है? पता नहीं कहाँ जाना है. I think ambition is the guiding path, the path that you take in life. So having said that, can everyone quickly tell me what are some ambitions of your life? So it can be professions like engineers, doctors, artists, this and that, but it could be also intermediate. Like for example, I want to see something happening. I want to invent this thing. I want to do this. So it could be anything. Can everyone quickly unmute their mic and tell me what they want to be when they grow up?
Entrepreneur and a football player.
That's great. Entrepreneur and a football player. That's amazing.
A billionaire?
Sorry?
A billionaire?
A billionaire.
A billionaire. Oh my God. That's a good ambition to have. Okay.
Don't worry, he'll donate to your IIM also institute and to our Golden Sparrow also.
Sure. Thank you. Okay. Anyone else? Who wants to be an engineer? Anyone who wants to be an engineer?
Ma'am, I also want to be an engineer.
Oh, that's amazing. Who else?
Ma'am, I would like to become a traveler.
Traveler. That's awesome.
Ma'am, I would like to become an artist and a photographer.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Awesome. So, see, these are really amazing ambitions, and I'm pretty sure you guys will achieve it. And so my next question is, since we'll be talking a lot about IITs and what we do, I want to know, what do you know about engineers or what they do? So you can follow the same link that I have given in the chat window and try to answer this question. So this will be our guiding sort of what we do at IIT, and what kind of research happens there. So I want to know, what do you think that engineers do? So follow the same link and try to answer this question. Everyone is able to follow the link?
Yeah, I've just pasted the link again. It's the same thing, the same code, right?
Yeah, the same code.
Just click on it. I've just pushed it again. Go ahead.
Just refresh your screen. You'll find this question now.
We're getting the question of ambition. It's
in the same link, right?
the option is, we're getting new options. So should we just add new options with this question?
I think you'll be able to get it now. Check now. Kindly refresh and check now.
Yeah, I did. I think we can answer it. Just ignore the question, everybody, and answer about the engineer. What do engineers do? Or you want to speak up, everyone, for this one? You want them to speak up, Romana ma'am, for being, what do engineers do?
Anything is fine with me. Anything is fine with me.
Make apps on computer, laptop, and mobile.
apps on computers, laptops, and mobiles. Okay, that's a good one.
Engineers design things.
Okay, they design things. What kind of things, Farhana?
Like buildings.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you all can go ahead. It's refreshed now. Please go ahead.
What else? You can also unmute and speak. I think that's also working for us. Eat chocolate. We all do. We all do, regardless. That make money. That's. I think that's coming from a billionaire.
No, we have a Gujarati doing a business studies, and that's the problem, Romana ma'am. The teacher's already here.
Okay. Yeah. So it's a lot about building and making and creating. You know, can you see that thing prominent? Engineers का मतलब होता है बनाना, invent करना. Good. Okay, interesting. Construction. So you guys are assuming that engineers are software engineers or civil engineers or mechanical engineers, or you are trying to tell in general what you think engineers do. Okay.
Yeah, mostly it's inclined towards these three branches, perhaps.
Yeah.
No, electronics is my branch, unfortunately.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, good to know that you know what engineers do, that they try to build and they try to make things and they try to create things. We'll be talking a little bit about what we do, what is the process, and how we go about it in IIT. And I'll try to show you a few things that we do. So yeah, so I think that's the end of my activity from my side. So this is in general what engineers do, okay? So most of the time you'll find engineers analyzing something. So when I say analyze, we try to examine something very much in detail and methodically. And typically we want to interpret it. That's the reason we try to analyze a few things. So before starting a project, what engineers do is analyze something in great detail. The second one that you can see here is plan. So I did not see anyone saying that engineers plan as well, but whatever we do, whatever innovations are there, requires a huge amount of planning. Without planning a detailed proposal to achieve something, it's almost impossible to achieve what we are doing. The third one you can see in the bottom left corner is problem solving. So I think this is where most of your answers were aligned to. We are involved in a lot of problem solving, and the results that you see is in terms of applications, in terms of buildings, in terms of constructions, etc. So the reason I call it problem solving is because there is one piece that you want to fit. There is one gap that is existing that you are trying to fill in. For example, there was no application that would deliver food to you on your doorstep. So Swiggy tried to fill in the gap. So engineers are involved in such kind of problem solving scenarios. So to generalize what you just wrote in our previous slide, we do a lot of problem solving. And the last one is communication, which is also a very, very important step in engineering, because if we have developed apps, if we have tried to solve a problem, it's of no use if we don't try to communicate. अगर हमने किसी को बताया ही नहीं कि इसका solution exist करता है या फिर ये इस तरह से काम करता है. This is so communication and making it possible for humans to interact with your solution is a very important aspect of engineers. So having said all this about engineering, I now want to talk about this. So I think this is the slide that Dawood sir also shared with you. There is a slight delay in the sharing. Give me a second. I have changed the slide, but it's not reflecting.
Yes, there we are.
Okay, fine. So this is the slide which also Dawood sir showed you, and yeah, you can see various IITs, and all these institutes are known for their degrees in engineering. So I wanted to do this activity where I would have asked you to identify some of these, some of those logos and to which institute does it belong to. The answers are already here, but yeah, so you can see that IIT Bombay is somewhere here. You can see a lotus. No, it's not BJP symbol. Our institute was formed much before BJP was formed, so it's lotus is signifies IIT Bombay and with a book. So if you want to do engineering, or if you want to be an engineer or a scientist or any of the things that you saw earlier, you want to analyze some things in detail or communicate your design or solve problems or plan things, then in India or या फिर पूरी दुनिया में भी IITs are one of the best options that you get. So having said that, IIT stands for Indian Institute of Technology, and it was set up by Government of India. So the reason it was set up was to, was to make sure that there are high quality scientists and engineers and technologists, etc. So was there a problem in connecting? I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Romana ma'am, you have that in email. You want me to share it? I'm sorry, I did not ask for the presentation before. It's my mistake. But you can share it again if you want to, or you can email me and I'll share it on your behalf.
Wait a second. I think problem is.
No, take your time. So quick trivia. Yeah, take your time. It's okay.
Yeah, I would have shared the PPT with you, but the problem is I have some videos that I want to show, and those are offline. So that's the reason I don't think sharing will do any good. But anyways, let me just talk about IITs.
You want to share it again? Take your time and share.
Yeah.
Do you know which is the youngest IIT? Everybody here. Anyone want to guess? No idea. Amina, you're the youngest out here. Yeah,
Romana, ma'am.
Yes.
The youngest IIT, Romana ma'am, right?
Okay. No, I'm not the youngest.
Come on, Mandelas. Where are you with your answers? Yeah.
The youngest one was in the first one in Northeast. Who tell me now? I wish I had the picture with you. So, what's the capital of Assam?
Tirupati.
Oh, Safia said that. Safia, unmute yourself.
Guwahati.
Guwahati, not Tirupati, Munib, Guwahati. Right, that's where the youngest IIT is, Guwahati. The oldest one?
I think that's the wrong answer.
It's the wrong answer. Oh, the new ones come up. Oh, yes, yes, yes.
There are 23 IITs in total.
Wow.
Not 9. And there are new ones that have come up, and the newest one is the place where I belong to.
Yeah. Okay, the Goa one is the youngest. Oh, I'm living in the 80s still. The 23 IITs guy. I'm so sorry. Munib, just mute yourself. Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Not yet. Not yet.
Yeah, I think it's visible now.
Yes, yes.
So you can see that, sorry. You can see that there are all.
We can see your tabs right now. Once you open your.
Okay. No.
Yeah, we can see your presentation now.
Okay. So I think it's not reflecting properly on my mobile phone. Anyways, we can see that there are 23 IITs in total. The first one is IIT Kharagpur, which was set up in 1951. So, almost 70 years, 69 to 70 years back. Second one was IIT Bombay, which was set up in 1958. So Goa was not even a state back then, it was under Portuguese rule. Goa was liberated from Portuguese in the year 1961. So IIT Bombay was formed before that, and IIT Madras in 1959. So you can see the top 7 IITs. These are the oldest ones. So that is IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, Kanpur, Delhi, Guwahati, Roorkee. And after that, IIT Roped was started in 2008. I think there is some issue again. Oh, give me a second.
Yeah, or you want to have the conversation? Is that's also okay?
I think someone is using the landline, because of which I'm getting disconnected again and again. It's I'll just ask them to avoid using it for some time. Give me a minute.
Okay, so with Romana ma'am coming in, I think what I really want you all to understand and do is, this is perhaps the first time some of you are very young. This is where the path comes in. As an engineer, we always looked at IITs. The next one was REC, where I did my engineering from. But the idea is, you look upon to these best institutes. Somewhere we might mix between purpose and the product. Making money, Ahmed, is a product. It's okay. I mean, I want you all to be very rich, and that's okay. There's no shame in it. But what's your purpose? That's very important. And this is what we are learning today. Oh, ma'am is back. Good. So we'll redefine our purposes when we finish this presentation.
That was a good advice, actually. So these are the IITs that exist. You can see that 3 IITs, 5 IITs in fact, IIT ISM Dhanbad, IIT Bhilai, IIT Goa, IIT Dharwad, all were formed in 2016. And was I disconnected again?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a second, I'll fix it.
Right. Okay. Shivana ma'am, how many of them finished the business presentation? I heard Munib, Safia, and was it Ahmed? Farhana, did you finish yours? No. Muazzam?
No, sir.
And Amina finished hers, right? Amina, you finished yours. Okay. Ahmed, you have not finished yours? Okay. Next class we will
Yeah,
plan.
no, they were very brilliant. Yeah, no, for the next class, I said we'll be finishing off, and they had very brilliant ideas. Obviously, there were some things which they had to, fine tune on, and we're working towards it. By the end of this academic year, we are hoping that definitely all our kids will be able to, all our sparrows will be launching their own businesses.
Perfect. We can see the screen now, man.
I'm extremely sorry for the glitches. Yeah, so where were we? I was talking about the new IITs. So so these are the IITs, and if you want to be an engineer, a technologist, or any of the things that we saw in the previous slide, where you like problem solving, you like to analyze things, you like to plan, I think IIT is a place for you. Okay, so having said that, how do you get admission in IIT? So as Daud sir said that some of you are really young. So I don't want to get into the details of how do you get into an IIT, but I want to share with you that there are mainly 3 steps that you need to successfully follow in order to get admission in an IIT. So the first one is, of course, your 12th boards. You have to clear your 12th board exams. And in order to answer in order to answer the entrance exam in 2020 से, latest आपका 12th board exam या तो 2018, 19 या 20 में हो सकता है. And in order to qualify to give these exams, you need to compulsorily have this three subjects, that is physics, chemistry, and math. And biology is optional. You can have other optional subjects like computer science, biotechnology, etc. But physics, chemistry, and maths is very important. So to give you an idea how many students appear for JEE exams, that is the main exam that you have to answer, there are around 12 to 14 lakhs of students who answer this kind of exam every year. So the competition is huge. The competition is very tough. So this is after your 12th standard. So once you qualify, you give these exams called as JEE mains. So these exams are one of the biggest, मतलब इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम होता है. इतने बहुत ज़्यादा candidates, like at times 12 to 14 lakh candidates होते हैं. So in order to you need to qualify these exams. So every year there is a cutoff. Say out of 360, you have to score some marks higher than that. Every year the cutoff changes. And to give you a rough idea, approximately out of the 12 to 14 lakh students, only 2,20,000 candidates qualify this exam. So this is called as your JEE mains. So now once you qualify these exams, you have multiple opportunities to do a lot of things. But to get into IIT, you need to answer this exam called as JEE Advanced. So it's important to know here that after your 12th boards, you need to clear JEE mains, and only after that you're eligible to answer JEE Advanced. And similar to JEE mains, there is also a cutoff marks that you need to cross. That is, you need to come, your All India rank should be within 10 to 12,000 so that you get admission in IIT. So this is the overall process of getting into an IIT. So it looks difficult, right? Like 12 se 14 lakh, and then it gets filtered to 10 to 12,000. It's like only 1% of the students get into IIT. I mean, all the students who are trying that year, only a person gets into it. So it's very difficult, but it's not impossible. And that is what I want to convey to you today. So let's dive straight into the question, what we do in IIT. So there are many things that we do in IIT. There are n number of things that happen, but I cannot talk about all of these things in a single talk, right? We will require multiple interactions. So I thought for the first interaction, let us keep it light. थोड़ा मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से बताती हूँ कि हम क्या करते हैं IIT में. What do we do? Because that's the best I can give, right? What I do. So one thing is learn. So the way we learn in IIT is a little different than how we normally learn in different schools or different colleges. So I'm very sure that the way you learn at Unschooling is very similar to how we learn in IIT Bombay, because here as well we're encouraged to ask a lot of questions and answer them ourselves. So हमारा जो learning process है वो बहुत inquiry based रहता है. So we have recorded a small video of one of our class. It's a compilation of some videos and images. I'll play this video now, and I'll log out from my mobile phone so that there is no disturbance, and I'll share the screen with you.
Yeah, perfect. We can hear the. Okay, I can already see a lot of you
Yeah.
here in the class.
Now we can go. Sorry? Hello?
Perfect, Romana ma'am. We can see the video being played.
Hello? Is the video audible? I'm facing some internet issues again.
Yeah, no, we can see.
We can hear.
Let me know if there are any glitches.
Okay.
Yes. So I hope that we are quite smooth and there were no glitches. So what is the first thing that comes to your mind after viewing this video? What makes the learning different here? Can anyone just unmute and chip in? Okay, let me lead the discussion. Teamwork, absolutely, good one. Anyone else?
Hardworking.
Hardworking. Okay, I think Dawood sir has already shared a few things that see a lot of collaboration, post-it notes, chatter, learning by doing, etc. So that's actually the thing, one question I would like to ask everyone is, where was the teacher? Teacher kahan the in sab mein? Could you spot the teacher? Did you see the teacher somewhere?
No, we were not able to see
Only
the
one
teacher. We
teacher.
were not
Yeah.
able to identify the teacher.
Okay. So I'll show you where the teacher was. Okay. Not here, not here, not here. Okay. So you can see this person. Can you see my arrow?
Yes, yes.
Can you see this person? Yeah. So he is Professor Chandan Das Gupta. He is monitoring the entire discussion that is happening. And he is making sure that whatever we are doing, whatever we are discussing is in line with the learning objectives of the class. He's not letting us go astray. In fact, he is encouraging some points that he really likes or that in which he wants us to learn more about it. So the classroom is pretty much like this, where we read or learn a lot about what we are supposed to do in the class before we go into the class. And in the class, we try to solve various problems. We try to discuss a lot of things. So there is a lot of talking that happens in the class among us. And that talking is not just any talking. It's It's related to learning. So does it look boring or does it look fun? How does it look like?
Fun.
Fun.
Yeah, so it's actually a lot of fun. It's actually a lot of fun. And you know why it's a lot of fun? Because all of us have read something about it. All of us know, all of us have an idea about it. And we all are really eager to share it with each other. So that's the reason the entire thing, the entire process of learning is not something boring to us. And it's not usually a teacher who is presenting a PPT. It is us who are trying to know what we are learning. A lot of doing is involved. So that's the reason learning in IIT is really fun. And you know, you sort of remember these things for life. You remember it for a very long time. I exactly remember what conversation was going on at this point when Lakshmi was removing one of the post-it from the whiteboard. So and you know, we were arguing about some exploration method that we were discussing about. So it is a really rich discussion that happens among the students, and the instructors are nothing but a part of our group, right direction. So this is how we learn in IIT Bombay. Next, let me show you a video. Something wrong with the controls. Yeah. So the next thing is about exploration. So I have a video here again to show you how we explore or how we learn. We received a 360-degree camera in our class. So we were excited to see what we can do with it. So here we are posing for it. So this is from a class called as Tools Lab. You can again see that there are people who are coming together using post-its and sharing what they're learning. The classroom is not usually organized into, you know, what looks like a classroom. It's more of a restaurant type setup where you have tables and small groups interacting with each other and talking to each other. So the teacher is not the one who teaches us most of the things. It's our friends who teaches us what we are learning for that day. So also, can you see this thing here? Sorry. Also, can you see this thing here? Can anyone identify what this is? Future engineers, can anyone identify what this is, what this looks like?
Ma'am, is it a game remote control? Like you control it, you are controlling with it.
Yeah, it is sort of that, but more than that.
Steering wheel.
It is a steering wheel. Very good. It's a steering wheel that we printed out ourselves. Okay, and what is this? Can you?
A wire.
Yeah, there are wires going on, and there is something that this girl is controlling. I'll just play the video and it'll be clear for you. She was able to control some things using this kind of gear. So this is also 3D printed. So this setup, actually we made this setup for a car where you have the brake and the accelerator and you have a steering wheel and you have Arduino board. Have you heard about Arduino boards?
Yes.
Yes.
So Arduino boards are little program what you want to do. And so what we have done is we have created a game and we have connected it to an Arduino board. And now we're controlling this application using this 3D printed 3D printed. We have made this ourselves, which is we have printed various parts of it, and we have put them together. There is a spring that we have put up, and there are some wires that we have soldered. And all this we have learned, we have done only to learn more about Arduino. So there's a lot of doing that is involved here. So you can also see that this is a robo. Anyone knows what's the name of this robot?
Ma'am, I have seen this, but I don't remember the name.
You don't remember the name. So
It's a very angry robot. Selfish robot.
it's not selfish. I think you have seen another robot probably. So this robot is a childlike robot, as in it's like a small baby.
Ahmed
Okay,
says,
it's called Cosmo.
oh, right.
Okay. So, but Cosmo is like a baby. It can actually cry like a baby, talk like a baby, play. When he wins a game, he dances happily, like how kids dance. And he's very naughty as well. He likes to tease you. He looks at your expressions, identifies your expressions. He can call out your names. He can do a lot of things. So you can see that we are interacting. We are making Cosmo do things. Over here, Cosmo is saying Jai Hind. Cosmo is happy Independence Day. Also, you can see that. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. You can also see that these big kids are playing with Lego. Isn't it funny? They're all big. I think they are like more than 20, 25. I don't know what's their age, but it's funny, right? But they're actually trying to solve a problem using the Lego kit. And they're developing a prototype, and that prototype is for something related to ideation. You can see that you might feel that he's a professor, but no, he is one senior who has some experience working with this. So he's teaching juniors how do you go about connecting things in order to make it work. Now all the students are coming together and writing something what they want. Also here they are trying to discuss and present what they are planning. And just being criticism and feedback. This is us giving them feedback about their work. It's also important to learn few different skills like photography. So here we were trying to learn what is stop motions and how to use a camera for that. That is also very important. So this is an augmented reality application that was developed to teach kids how to use different dustbins. So this is a virtual reality classroom. You can using a virtual reality headset. You see it on the live classroom. And yes, this is the 3D printer. Whatever we want, we print it out. This is our class, and you see how we were exhibiting for others to see. Finally, now you can see faculty. Yeah, right. So this was one of our class where we are given the freedom to explore anything, and it only comes on the last day of the exhibition. Rest all other days we try to teach each other and we learn from each other. So yeah, so this was about exploration. So do you have anything to say or comment here about this video?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Did you make Osmo?
Did you make
Osmo.
Cosmo?
That robot.
No, that's a good question. I think Munib is asking this question. So we did not make Cosmo. But we made Cosmo to do what we want. We wanted Cosmo to, sort of uh, uh, solve one crossword puzzle, or reach from one place to another. So we programmed Cosmo the way we wanted, but we did not create Cosmo. Any other question? Yeah.
Ma'am, so the steering
Yeah.
that was there, were you controlling Cosmo with that steering, or were you doing something else with this?
Oh, we can do that as well. We can do that as well. There is one component in Cosmo which allows you to code, and then we can link this with some external inputs, and we can also control it. That's a good idea, really good idea, actually.
Like an RC car.
Yeah, we have actually done that. We have actually done that. I have not put the video here, but I'll share it with Daud sir. Maybe he can share it with you later on.
Absolutely, absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
How do you, during the pandemic, how do you give the exam? The children who want to go to IIT, how do they give exam?
Oh, how do they give exams? So one exam was held in January, and the second exam was supposed to be in July, but because of pandemic, it has not yet happened. So it is there are many conversations that are going on to postpone this exam. Okay, so and now there are several requests that are put up to postpone this exam. So otherwise, it will probably happen in September if it is not postponed.
In fact, discussions going on right now. So if you don't worry about the IIT
Yeah, it's good.
exam,
Yeah.
let's worry about your boards and your assessments. Rumana ma'am, if you unshare the screen, then we can actually have a common board.
No, I have.
You have something to share? Okay.
Yeah, I have
Right.
other things. I think
Okay, okay.
what's the time? I think it's really late.
We almost done with our class, yeah. But
okay, I have a few other things to share too, but I think we lost a lot of time in the technical glitches that we were having.
no, I think we learned that you can be an IITian, but you still have a problem in Zoom. But the best part is you don't get phased away with it. What I saw is very calm demeanor, the way you were saying it's okay. So I think I have a question for you, Rumana ma'am. Do you really study in IIT then? What I saw is all of you making Lego bricks and gizmos.
Yeah, so what I showed was some glimpses from our MTech classes and PhD classes. For BTechs, it's a little bit more cognitively complex, I would say, because they have to learn a lot of things. They have to build their basics. So for MTechs and PhDs, it is a little bit more exploratory, I feel, because we have already built our basics.
Right.
So we do study. There are a lot of things that you need to understand. There are a lot of principles and difficult things, but it is all made fun and possible with the help of projects and such kind of interactions. So we do study. There are some intense classes as well, and some really intense projects as well that you have to do in order to clear your exams. But yeah, this is also one way of learning.
No, I love to. No, in fact, I love to carry on, but I promised my kids that we would do in the time. I would love them to ask you more questions and maybe take the second half of your presentation some other time. Is that okay?
Yeah, that'll be okay for me.
I really, I think as much as I'm excited, I could see the excitement in them. They have a lot of questions. They have a lot of course, their questions may not be as academic as some of the other things, but is it okay, right, Rumana ma'am?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I have got YouTube bloggers out here, and I've got billionaires already. I've got entrepreneurs and animators. Saklain, what's your question? Go ahead. Ahmed, Saklain, please. Muazzam Mudabbir, you've been very quiet. My M&M brothers are very quiet, but don't go by the quietness. They have a lot of things behind. So I would love them to have these questions going on, Rumana ma'am.
Yeah. Please, I encourage you all to ask questions. I had a few more things to show you people, but I think maybe we'll take it next time.
Right. Ma'am, you said that
exam that in 12th board. So you gave that exam, yes? The exam of 12th board.
They're speaking of IIT JEE.
Oh, okay. So who asked me this question?
Munib.
Munir, that's a good question, Munir. Actually, I did not answer IIT JEE. I did answer, but I did not get through it. I did not get through IIT. And then I did my MTech. And then for PhD, I answered some other equivalent exam, which is like for BTech, you have to answer JEE. But for PhD and for MTech, you have other exams like GATE, and there are certain interviews that you have to answer. So I answered and I cleared that, and that's the reason I'm doing my PhD in IIT Bombay. Otherwise, my bachelor's degree is from PCC Goa.
Go ahead. I promised them to share this with them. You would like to talk about this lady who came to meet you all in IIT Bombay?
Okay.
He's a robot.
Yeah.
She's
So
the first citizen Saudi Arabia ever granted citizenship. So I was amazed with that.
yes. Dubai granted her citizenship. She's the first robot citizen of the world. And when she came to India for the first time, she came to IIT Bombay. And if I'm not wrong, the line to view her, to see her lecture in a hall that could handle like 2,000 guests, there was, I think, a 2-kilometer long line, literally a 2-kilometer long line. And like, we were wondering what is happening. So it was a really busy day. Tech Fest evening tha. And yeah, so what happened was she came up all dressed in a nice Indian sari. And we had a few students, we had gathered a few questions from a few students. So they asked her a few questions, but some technical glitch happened and she got stuck. She got phased out. So we couldn't interact much with her. But yes.
Now I notice the sari now, after you said that.
yes. So someone asked her some interesting question, and then she was just stuck, and then we couldn't get her back for quite a long time. So
Right.
yes.
Okay, Rumana ma'am, they are young. You speak to 12th and graduates as such. What are the two advices you would tell them and say, okay, guys, do this, and it's not for me. It's not like they have to land up at IIT, but they have to have a purpose. So what's something that you will tell them, Rumana ma'am?
Okay. So to get into IIT, there. I mean, if
In
someone,
life, yeah, no, as an
what do you do?
education,
So,
yes.
yeah, what do you do to get into an IIT? I would have a completely separate set of do's and don'ts. But if you say that excel in whatever you do, if you want to do that, then one thing is start early, because for example, many of you are really you really know that you want to be a photographer or an entrepreneur or do this and that, and some of you want to be engineers. So I would say start really early. I know a few people who are in their 8th and 9th standard, and they have already started interning. So internship is an excellent opportunity, and to work with people जिनके जैसा तुम्हें बनना है. Like for example, it could be only gathering their papers or putting pens for them, but it's a huge experience. So I feel start early if you know what you want to be. And second, identify something that you really want to have fun with. Like so I don't know what else to say to students who are this young, But
I think you give some really, Rumana ma'am, I really feel it's the gems that you give in between is what they pick up, and each one of them have their own answers they'll take back from today's session. But I love what you said, and the fact that they're meeting someone like you for the first time. We surely would love to have you in Navi Mumbai. You're not very far away from us, so that's post-pandemic. Shivana ma'am, you would like to speak up and take the honors to conclude and thank our guest.
Romana ma'am, I would like to say really thank you. Whatever insight that you've given is fantastic. Not only students, in fact, giving me an insight of the studying environment out there has inspired me as a teacher as well, and it's got me geared up to even make my sessions more interactive. And thank you for your compliment saying that Golden Sparrow is like what IIT teaching is all about. So that's amazing. And trust me, just having over here and talking to our kids is like amazing, inspiring enough. You just motivated, especially the conclusion part when you said start early. Yes, I do agree with you, and thank you so much. We would love to have you even in person and more online session. So thank you so much. Sparrows, you want to say something to Romana ma'am, please?
Go ahead. No, Jazakallah. Thank you, Rumana ma'am. I think the time that you gave, I think last I contacted was early in Ramadan. And I said, ma'am, I want you to speak to my kids. And I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. Really.
I'm really actually not satisfied because I've not completed my PPT, and I had a lot of things to share and show these kids what you can do and how you can do it and why it is important. There were so many things that I want to share, and I really want to have
that's a good part. Yeah, that's a good part. Yes, you're
I think that's been a typical IITian, that's a typical IITian attitude. Never be satisfied, keep going more. Right. Thank you so much.
We're going to have you again, which is the best part of it. So
yeah. So I also promise face-to-face interaction. So I belong to a department called as educational technology. So we specialize in building technologies and pedagogies that help students learn more. In fact, I'm into research where I'm trying to understand how students learn. So I'm trying to unearth the process of learning, the complex cognitive and metacognitive mechanisms. So so the way you're teaching in unschooling, in fact, the idea is so cool. I feel you should visit our department for sure. And we should visit your school and try to see how you guys learn. So
absolutely.
I think that's a really amazing idea that you've put up there. Because many of my batchmates, they say that when their kids grow up, they want to homeschool them. And I used to wonder, homeschooling kya hota hai? But I think you have an
homeschool, but unschool.
Absolutely. So this is where I saw that I used to never agree to the idea of homeschooling. And now when I saw this model, I was so happy to see that someone is, if something like this exists, then definitely many of my batchmates would also want their kids to join the school.
Wow.
So that's a really good idea.
So it's a done deal. You are coming to us with your batchmates for coffee, and we are going to IIT for sure.
Yes.
हमको दावत के लिए दूसरी बार invitation नहीं चाहिए, ma'am.
In fact, I would suggest you guys to come.
Absolutely.
To come during Tech Fest when these people prominent Sophia and all those exhibitions are put up, so that you take a lot back with you. You also get to see the beautiful campus.
Wow. We done with that. So we are perfectly coming. Let's hope the pandemic, ends soon so we are allowed to travel. Thank you once again so much.
Romana ma'am, we are definitely holding you on to it. Definitely. Your invitation is definitely going to be accepted by us.
Nice.
So wait
You
for
enjoyed
us,
it?
yeah?
Thumbs up from all of you. Farhana, Ahmed, double one. Saqib, that's good.
Thank
all
you.
right.
Thank you
ma'am.
much.
Thank you so much, everybody. Everybody, Assalamu alaikum. See you again.
Wa alaikum assalam. See you again. Bye.